Hello there guys, in this video I'll show you how to give this curve effect to text and the background shadow effect of white color to text in Canva. So first of all, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So first of all, let me just open up a Canva presentation. Go to apps and we're gonna search for text effects maker. Then we're gonna go to this app named Canva, like curved text, and we're gonna type our text, whatever text you wanna use. So for example, I'll just go with my channel's name, which is Slide Pro. So I'm just gonna write that. So let me just type it real quick. You can use any text you want right here, and I'm gonna go with my channel's name, as you can see. So let's type it in. Next we're gonna go for like the guideline, outline only, or we can go for fill as well. So let's just go with fill. I'm gonna give it a fill of white or maybe red color. Let's go with any color you wish. That depends on your background, okay? So yeah, it mostly depends on your background color. So you have to make sure that you take the color that you can see in the background as well. So we can change the font from here. Let me make it, we can increase the curve from here, and we can even make it fully circular. But I don't want it fully circular, I just want it to be a bit of curve. So I'm just gonna give it a bit of curve with -66 of curve. So yeah, here we go. Next we're gonna click on add to design. As you can see, we have the Slide Pro curve text in our template. What we have to do is just click on it and increase its size that it covers the slide, most of the slide. Here we go. We can just change the fill of it. Next we're going to change the background fill. And let's change the text fill as well. We can change it from edit option. We can give it shadow from here as well. Next, what we have to do is just give it this shadow which says curved. We're gonna increase the distance. Here we go. So yeah, we're just gonna give it a quick shadow of white color. Here we go. So yeah, that's it for today, and we're gonna go to watch the final result. If you like that, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like this video and comment down to let us know about your opinions about our videos and tutorials.